to officially welcome everyone on this event. Please join me in welcoming
time, and even if it's a weekday, committed ka mo to attend our event. So, to our City Iloilo's Sports and Athletic Care Program, Limitless Motion. And we are absolutely fitness knows, peak performance is a journey. It requires not just breathe.
The Iloilo City Government, particularly Mayor Raisa Treñas, extends its. The TMC Iloilo has been a bright beacon for athletes and sports enthusiasts and family with this endeavor.
and please not keep at knees. Please help me.
Iloilo. So first of all, I would just like to apologize for not being there with you guys in person. Unfortunately, due to some scheduling difficulties, we will have to make do with just a video presentation instead.